Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your TikTok account. It's quick and simple, so let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app. Once it's open, head to the bottom menu and tap on the profile icon to go to your profile page. In the profile window, look for the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open up a menu at the bottom of the screen. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now, in the Settings and Privacy window, you'll see a lot of options, but we're going to tap on Account. Here, you can change various details about your account, but we're looking for the Account Information section. Once you find it, tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see the option to add a phone number. Tap on that, and a new page will appear asking you to enter your phone number. After entering your number, hit Send Code. You'll receive a message with a verification code. Enter that code, and your phone number will be successfully added to your TikTok account. And that's it! You've now added a phone number to your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Also, check out our other videos on related topics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.